Welcome everyone to the Eve Growing Concept. Today is going to be another Vernmenting video. Vernmenting is a new vermiculture technique designed specifically for urban living.
I've lived east to west, I've been from coast to coast. I've seen 1,000 different faces, but you shine the most. You like summertime living in ocean breeze, chilling on the beach with our toes in the sand. Or we can talk all day, or we can love all life. Baby, show me where it hurts and I can kiss and make it right. You see, life's too short to forget the day-to-day. You're either living and loving or throwing your love away. We're singing la 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 la. Life is good, so love me like I know you could. And then we'll knock on wood, and we'll live it up, love it up, and it'll end up happening like it should. I can't seem to rhyme without you on my mind, so I try to keep it present on a 24-hour time frame. Steals in my mind like a picture book, use lyrics and metaphors so you can take a look. So do you see what I see? Oh, you're stuck feeling free, baby. Our love is Armstrong, so let it be all it can be. I'll go to war for you, sing some more for you. Oh, one day you'll be everything and more to you. We're singing la 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 la. Life is good, so love me like I know you could. And then we'll knock on wood, and we'll live it up, love it up, and it'll end up happening like it should. Now this love at first is somewhat unrehearsed, and we're moving on with it, cause lady, that's just how it works. So just take it slow and enjoy the show. There ain't no time to worry when you're with the flows. From the bottom of my heart to the tip of my tongue, from when the feeling starts to the time we need a song. Love is life, believe that life's a song. Looking for someone special to help me sing along. We're singing la 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 la. Life is good, so love me, girl, like I know, girl, you could. And then we'll knock on wood, and we'll live it up, love it up, and it'll end up happening like it should. All right. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah. My crew, we're jammed to abandoned buildings. Sees an empty cup we fill 'em. I keep my circle tight, vibe just right with my six strings, singing all night. Gender, faith, color, or lover, don't matter one way or other. No complaints from music's after. Thanking God for that news, dad is a doctor. My crew doesn't quit. My crew is so chivalrous. I am a gentleman, you're a lady. That don't mean that tonight won't get crazy. We work hard to play harder. Raise up your glass, be it whiskey or water. Here's to us and our freaking weekend. So yeah, let that party begin. We play that game, so pick your poison. Good luck to you if you play the boys. And that girl right there can outdrink and think you in blind too. It's a boy to do, boogie on down to the dance floor. Show me what you're building that buzz for. A little freedom is a beautiful thing, but get too rowdy and bow to the porcelain king. You see, my crew doesn't quit. My crew is so chivalrous. I am a gentleman, you're a lady. That don't mean that tonight won't get crazy. We work hard to play harder. Raise up your glass, be it whiskey or water. Here's to us and our freaking weekend. So yeah, let that party begin. Fireside dining, classy, one time for cool kids. Heard that this cup flipping game just got ruthless. Looking like a pipe bomb went off in the kitchen, and somehow the liquor and beer all went missing. Outside is a different scene. Group stargaze through the evergreen. We do it for the art, not in income, I carpet kisses and never stress Dion. Yeah, my crew doesn't quit. My crew is so chivalrous. I am a gentleman, you're a lady. That don't mean that tonight won't get crazy. We work hard to play harder. Raise up your glass, be it whiskey or water. Here's to us in the freaking weekend. So yeah, let that party begin, I say. Yeah, let that party begin, I say. If everything's moving slow, I'll show you the place to go. My family and Papa found kicking it, always somewhere by the fire pit. If your friend and your family ain't free, if you're foe, then tonight is on me. My crew has talent and loyalty, and they'll be partying over these royalties. You're damn right. Like my crew doesn't quit. My crew is so chivalrous. I am a gentleman, you're a lady. That don't mean that tonight won't get crazy. We work hard to play harder. Raise up your glass, be it whiskey or water. Here's to us in our freaking weekend. So yeah, let that party begin, I said. Yeah, let that party begin, I said. Yeah, let that party begin. Your number, give me a number and I'll be there right. Give me your number, lover. Give me a number and I'll be there right. On time. Give me your time and place. Give me a time and I'll be there right. Just to be seeing your face. Give me a time and I'll be there right. On time. 'Cause I'm not into not bringing you the best in me, as I continue to live the life that's been destined to me. And I am promising you, if we make it true, then we'll make it through. And when you call for me, no, I'll reply. Yeah, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine, rain and shine, rain and shine, yeah. Oh, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine, yeah, yeah. Just give me the place, there, you and the time. I'll be there if I ever had a mind, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine. Humanity's family, but it's nice to know I got my blood. I keep you deep in my heart. My life is for you, my love is one. At all times. Business is business, it come and go, but a name remains. God be my judge and my witness. So honor, integrity, loyalty reign. All times. 'Cause I'm not into not bringing you the best in me, as I continue to live the life that's been destined to me. And I am promising you, if we make it true, then we'll make it through. And when you call for me, no, I'll reply. Yeah, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine, rain and shine, rain and shine, yeah. Oh, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine, yeah, yeah. Just give me the place, there, you and the time. I'll be there if I ever had the mind, oh, Roger. On the call time, yeah, rain and shine. Magnificent beings, looking for the true meaning. Life is an open book, don't let others define where you look or how how you read it. It's unusual that people won't let humans get in their way. We'd rather look at them different and judge from a distance and create change. Most times. And if God is love, then how about we stop putting love in a cage? Knowledge is power, truth is a drug, so I'm gonna power trip under my grave. Says it's my time, 'cause I'm not into not bringing you the best in me as I continue to live the life that's been destined to me. And I am promising you I'm gonna make it true, I'm gonna make it through. And till the day I die, you know I'll reply. Yeah, Roger, on the call time. Yeah, rain and shine, rain and shine, rain and shine. Yeah, Roger, on the call time. Yeah, rain and shine. Oh, just give me a place there and the time with the pep in my step. You know I'll arrive, Roger, on the call time. Yeah, rain and shine. Yeah, rain and shine. Open the door, kick off my boots, walk through the kitchen, grabbing that food that we bought when we shopped a few days ago. Grab your guitar, lounge on the couch. I'm all about the coffee table you purchased when we went searching on that sunny Sunday afternoon. And my place isn't your place, your place isn't mine, but at times it feels like we're playing house now. And sometimes you need your space, sometimes I need mine, but at times it feels like we're playing house now that I got the keys to her heart in her apartment. I could come and go whenever I want, but I like the way the light falls, painting these white walls around us. Home is where the heart is, I know it's true, 'cause beautiful, I just love playing house with you. Open a bottle, let it breathe. Table is set, kitchen's filthy. Looking at you, looking at me. Wine and dinner with her, then dessert please. And when the morning light hits them window curtains, yeah, then it's coffee time, 'cause your man's putting work in. Yeah, my place isn't your place, your place isn't mine, but at times it feels like we're playing house now. And sometimes you need your space, sometimes I need mine, but at times it feels like we're playing house now that I got the keys to her heart in her apartment. I could come and go whenever I want, but I like the way the light falls, painting these white walls around us. Home is where the heart is, I know it's true, 'cause beautiful, I just love playing house with you. The key goes where the lock is, the living room's where all the talk is, yeah. The bedroom's where the spark is, yeah. Home's where your heart is. The key goes where the lock is, the kitchen's where them pans and pots is, yeah. The bedroom's where the spark is. Home's where your heart is, yeah. Now that I got the keys to her heart in her apartment, be true. It's beautiful, I just love playing